Hello. Welcome to the tutorial of the web panel of QRACCESS control system, based on QR codes and a mobile application. This is the English version of QRACCESO Spanish application. You can use this system to import a list of people using web panel and using the associated mobile application. Validate and register entry and exit to events, conferences, courses, or any kind of similar closed places. This system is useful for all use cases in which it is required to control access to the entrance, and optionally to control exit time. We will show how to import the attendee data from a CSV file taken from Excel and how to optionally send the QR code by SMS or email. Now we are going to show the format of the CSV file with a list that should be imported. These types of files can be generated from Excel with the Save As option and selecting the delimited CSV format. Inside the CSV file there is a first row of titles or header with the names of each field and then a row for each assistant. Each data is separated by a semicolon. This Excel is example of assistants to a tether, and we have phone, email, name, entrance, area, row, seat and company. This company field is not going to be used, but has been included to show how to discard it on import. You can use your own fields for your use case. Now we connect with our account on web panel and press send. To import a list, from Groups menu, click on New Group. You could do the same pressing on Import menu. Now write a name, for example, Event. We leave the box checked to indicate that the first row is for titles or headers. So it will not be processed as a wizard and will be downloaded using it only to create the fields to be displayed in the control app. Select the file we just saw. Now click on Create button. A preview is shown in which we can discard some fields so that it does not matter. As I already explained, the company will be discarded. We press Confirm. After the import, the screen shows the Groups menu section and lists the imported attendees of the group. The image of the QR code created for each attendee and the corresponding alphanumeric code is shown. You could search for attendees with this box. We can also edit the name of the fields and change the order in which they are displayed. You just have to double-click on Edit icon. For example, let's put the name first. We double-click on Edit and change the priority to 1. Press F5 to reload page in Windows. Or use Reload button of your navigation application. Now we should modify the telephone field to put it in third place, occupying the space left by the name. When you save and enter again, the fields are seen in the desired order. We could also change the name of the field and stipulate if it will be displayed when scanning the QR with the smartphone or tablet using QRACCESS application, as well as if it will be exported from the statistics of the application. Now I am going to describe the 3 buttons available to group attendees. Button to send the QR code via SMS to an individual assistant. You could write the text to send and press Send SMS. Click on Return to cancel. Button to edit data of this assistant. Back again, and button to remove the attendee. With the new assistant button you can create an assistant individually by filling out the form. Now we return to the Groups list. In the group list we have these buttons for each. Assistants button, This button allows you to see the imported list as we have seen in last section. Go back again, clicking on Return. Now we click on Export button. This option generates a CSV file with the data of all attendees, and an additional column with the text for the SMS where the QR code of each attendee. This text that you could write should be user to send SMS with an external service, for example. This is your code to access to the event. Click on Export and you will see that a file is generated with the attendee data, including the URL to view the image of the QR code and the text of the SMS with that link to the image for each assistant. This exported CSV file allows you also to manage the sending of QR codes invitations by email using external free or paid mass email platforms, for example. Go back again, click Return. The ADD Assistants button allows you to import an additional list with new assistants to this group. The CSV file that you should insert in the same group must have the same number of columns. Go back again, click Return. The SMS to Group button allows you to send the QR code to all attendees in this group. First, you write the text, similar as in Export option, for example. This is your code to access the event. Then we choose which field is the telephone number by clicking on it. You can modify the country prefix or characteristic, but it would affect all attendees in the group. To send the SMS you have to click on SMS to Group button. Go back again, click Return. The Zip QR button generates a compressed file with all the images of the QR code to be able to print them or to send them by email with mass email sending platforms or other uses. Finally, the Statistics button allows you to access the statistics files shared from the mobile application for each event. This is all. If you still have any question, you should ask us in contact section of our website. Don't forget to watch the video tutorial of the QRACCESS application that allows you to scan the QR codes generated in this web panel and that complements the functionality explained here. If you liked the video, we appreciate that you click on like, and you can share on networks and subscribe, so that you can find out about the new videos that we will publish on this channel. Thank you very much for your attention.